Okay, Charles, I'm gonna make you an update. I figured out, so what the deal was is these clips, these clips need to be in here. When I was looking at this plate, I saw right here where it came down, and of course I had these removed because I was restoring the outside of it, and so I ended up coming in here and I gave you some new little brass screws, and so I got it set up in there. Of course, I used my my little Caltech gap tool, got it on there, and so now much better, much better. Wasn't a big deal at all. So now if you look, oh, much better. Plate's not moving around. I got the gap just right. I got it set right here at 18 thousandths of an inch, and so you can see with your dual points, you started opening that one up and it's closing. Come around, you start opening this one up and closes, and so yeah, much better. I come in and lube my little felt. We'll drop a couple little drips of oil down in here to keep the shaft nice and oiled, and we should be good to go. I've got it marked here where I'm going to put my rotor at, and so we'll go in with it. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update on that. Wasn't a big deal at all. Thank you. Bye.